Earning money from artificial intelligence, AI, can be achieved through various approaches. Here are some avenues to explore. Developing AI-based applications. If you have programming skills and expertise in AI, you can develop applications or software that utilize AI algorithms. This could involve creating AI-powered chatbots, virtual assistants, recommendation systems, or data analysis tools. You can monetize these applications by offering them as paid products or by integrating advertising or subscription models. Providing AI consulting and services. Many businesses are seeking guidance on implementing AI solutions. If you have knowledge and experience in AI, you can offer consulting services to help companies understand how AI can benefit their operations. This may involve assessing their needs, developing AI strategies, assisting with implementation, and providing ongoing support. Building AI models and selling datasets. AI models require training data, and companies often struggle to obtain quality datasets. If you have the capability to create or curate datasets, you can sell them to organizations that need them for AI model training. Additionally, you can build AI models tailored to specific industries or use cases and offer them for sale or licensing. Participating in AI competitions and challenges. Online platforms and organizations frequently host AI competitions and challenges. By participating and showcasing your skills, you may have the opportunity to win cash prizes or gain recognition. These competitions often involve solving complex AI problems, such as image recognition, natural language processing, or autonomous driving. Contributing to AI research and development. If you have a strong background in AI and a passion for advancing the field, you can pursue research and development opportunities. This could involve publishing papers, collaborating with academic institutions or research organizations, or participating in research projects. Depending on the context, you may receive grants, funding, or even job opportunities through your contributions. Offering AI training and education. As AI continues to evolve, there is a growing demand for individuals to acquire AI skills. You can leverage your expertise by providing training courses, workshops, or online tutorials on AI concepts, algorithms, and applications. You can monetize these educational offerings through course fees or subscriptions. Remember, success in earning money from AI requires continuous learning, staying up to date with advancements in the field, and building a strong network. It's essential to identify specific areas of AI where you have expertise and focus on providing value to clients or users through your AI-based products, services, or knowledge.